Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already know the 8-digit password formula. First 4 letters of your name in caps or as issued, then birth year. Start by making a duplicate of the Aadhaar PDF and place it in a new folder. Open your chosen PDF utility. Offline tools are preferable for privacy. Once the tool is running, choose the Open or Import command and load the copy. You will be prompted for the password. Enter those 8 characters to unlock the file so you can proceed safely. Once you have opened the locked PDF by supplying the correct 8-digit password, navigate to the Security or Permissions section of the PDF tool. You want to remove encryption or change security to no security. That tells the app to drop the password requirement. After changing that setting, use Save As or Export to write a new PDF. Choose standard compatibility and avoid adding a new password. Make sure the output file name indicates it is unprotected so you don't confuse it with the original file. After saving, close the tool and open the new file to confirm it no longer asks for a password and displays your details correctly. If it still prompts, double-check you use the exact 8 characters. The first 4 letters as recorded on the Aadhaar and the 4-digit birth year. Try variants such as missing spaces or initials. If removal fails, switch to another trusted PDF editor or, if necessary, re-download the Aadhaar from the official source and repeat the process to ensure the file isn't corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.